Hi everyone, Ricky Chu from Chu's Packaging Supplies here. One of our most popular selling products is our reinforced water activated tape. While it's one of the best tapes on the market, there is a heftier price tag that comes along with it. So in the market now, there's a lot of cheaper products being offered. To the naked eye, they pretty much look the same. It's just brown craft paper, some reinforcement strands, and some adhesive at the bottom. But there are differences in the paper quality, reinforcement strands, and adhesive. This can cause your boxes to not seal properly or open up during shipping, which is a nightmare for your returns and your customer service departments. The cheaper water activated tape is also known to curl up and jam your machines, so that's going to cause a backup in your shipping department. There are high quality imported water activated tapes out there, but you have to make sure you know what you're getting. You can't just base everything on price. The little bit of money you might save up in the front will cost you a lot more in the back with returns, damaged products, and everything else you got to deal with, bad reviews, anything. All of the water activated tape that we sell at Chu's Packaging Supplies has been battle tested in-house and in the real world, so we know that it works. You're not going to have any problems with your shipments going out. For more information about our water activated tapes and all of our packaging tape line, please visit our website at www.chuspkg.com.